So I just wanted to make this quick video that shows you how you can use ChatGPT for creating regex for Google Search Console. It's actually very easy, and most cases this takes me under a minute to do so. But at the same time, it can be helpful for finding either like a set of keywords that I'm looking for, or if it's like a set of pages that I want to audit. So I think the pages are typically the ones that take the most time. So the way to do it is usually I like to just have an Excel spreadsheet just so I can come here and just copy and just like paste it directly into ChatGPT. And I mean it's very fairly simple. I'm not going to act here like I know Regex. Like all you have to do is just tell them, can you create Regex for GSC? Put in your URLs, and then I mean it's basically going to do the rest for you. It's going to take a sec to get there, but really what you want to see is all of the URLs matching this regex included in this like little parentheses right here. So once you have it, you can basically just copy it, come over to Google Search Console, set up your page filter. You'll want to come here to set up custom regex, matches regex. You could also do doesn't match regex if you want to see a set of pages that don't include these URLs. But in this case, I'm going to do matches because I just want to see what these pages specifically look like. And then that's going to pull this set of URLs out of Google Search Console and just show them to you specifically. And you can export the data. I just find it's easier if you're trying to filter your data. Like if you're using ChatGPT, it only takes like maybe, I don't know, like maybe a minute. This minute video has been a minute so far. And then you can also do keywords too, which is pretty easy. So sometimes I like to do like different sets of keywords for ChatGPT or Google Search Console. I like to break them up into bottom of the funnel, middle of the funnel, and top of the funnel. But if I'm just going for middle of the funnel, I'll just ask if they can just create rejects that has like a certain or specific amount of words. Um, you can basically have ChatGPT create it for you, but in this case, I'm just going to give it the words and just ask it to create rejects similar to the above. So I'll show you in a sec what that looks like. So now I have it created for my keywords as well too. So I put it in manually. I just asked it to create for this set of keywords right here. Um, Keep doing it until you get this little slash B. You can even tell or Chat just to include it anyways. If you don't include it, then the regex isn't going to match keywords with each specific modifier. So just make sure you have this little, or you just tell it just to include the slash B. So it created the regex for me. I also have an example here where I just asked it to create regex for middle of the funnel keywords, or what I think thinks will be middle of the funnel keywords, and then basically produce this pretty big list right here. You can do this for bottom of the funnel, middle of the funnel, top of the funnel, etc., etc. But here, same thing like before. I'm just going to come over to Google Search Console, enable a query filter, uh, come over here, enable this to custom regex, matches regex, and then put this in over here. And then this is going to give me my set of keywords that fall under that regex. So I'm using it for my personal website, so I'm not going to have software keywords that are probably going to be found on your website. But a lot of them are basically falling within within those modifiers that I had. So best B2B SEO firm, SaaS product demo, um, best SEO consultant, and so on. So if you want to find all of those keywords that fall underneath that certain range, like I said, ChatGPT is very quick and easy to create for this. So hope you found some value out of this one.